Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Thailand. This comes from Thai President Foods, makers of the Mama range of instant noodle products. I'm sure you've tried them, they're really good. This box features mention of their instant rice noodles spicy stir-fried baby clam flavor that I haven't tried before. So we'll see what all is in here. Yeah, let's crack it open. Check it out. Wow, a lot in this one. I'm always impressed with how much stuff these guys fit in a box just uniformly and really well, and this one's no exception. There's a lot of stuff in here, so let's start peeling into it and see what we got. First off, we got a couple bowls of pho ga, which is chicken soup. But this is, it's pho, so it's Vietnamese style. And of course, we have the ever popular pho bo, beef flavor. Now this one, you might be like, wait a second. So this is coriander flavor. Now, coriander in Asia is what we call cilantro here. You might find things that require something called coriander seed. This is like the leafy green stuff. They call it coriander. Here's one I don't know that I've tried. This is a crab curry flavor cup. That sounds good. And this one they even put directions on. This is their, let's see, can you see it through the side? This is their salted egg, and their salted egg one is really good. I will totally be happy to review this. It's very, very tasty. Salted egg is a really popular flavor around the world, and you don't see it as much here in the States, but I think eventually maybe you will. So this is a multi-pack of the Oriental Kitchen line's spicy Korean one, and it's really peppery, it's really hot. It's a little different though. It's definitely one to try. I've tried the pack version, but I've not tried the cup, so this will be something new. This is their cup instant rice noodles spicy stir-fried baby clam flavor. That sounds really good. I'm very curious about this one. Thank you. And this is another one of the Oriental Kitchen line, and this is absolutely awesome stuff. This is their shrimp stir-fried tom yum sauce noodle. It's a dry noodle. You cook it, drain it, stir it. It's the bomb. This is really good stuff. And again, here is the pack version of their spicy Korean style variety. And it looks like they put a couple neat little prizes in here for me too. Check it out, a t-shirt. Let's see if it fits. And it does. This is awesome. Thank you very much. And this is the hat that I got when I went, when was that? 2015. It's been 5 years since I visited Thailand and the folks over at Mama Noodles back in the day. And yeah, this is the hat that I got during my visit, so pretty cool. And they also sent, looks like, some face masks. Let's take a look at these. Wow, these are pretty slick ones. They got the little embroidered logo in there. They're all cloth with the little metal thing. Let's try that one on. Yeah, check it out. I've got the whole, I've got the hat, the shirt, the breathing mask. I can go shopping at the grocery store and I'm all good. So, wow, very cool. All right, well, thank you very much to the folks over at Thai President over in Thailand. And yeah, I'm going to check these things out and you'll see reviews of them coming up pretty soon. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.